Students, welcome all of you in our English class. Today I am going to introduce new topic, the Browning version. Browning version, actually it's a play, and in your book this chapter it's an extract, means one scene of a school that is presented as a chapter in your book. Really interesting, very simple language written, and in this chapter four characters are there. One is Frank. Frank is teacher in a school, and Mr. Crocker Harris, the main character. Crocker Harris also teacher. So both Frank and Crocker Harris, so they are teacher. And Taplow. Taplow is the name of the student. And Millie, though Millie, it would be introduced at the end of the chapter. Just when the chapter is going to an end, so that time Millie came on the scene. So what happens when the chapter begins? Actually, very simple story. If you read from line to line, you will get each and everything, but still only a few words are there. Those words, they may create a bit of difficulty. So I am here to explain only a few 3-4 words. So today I am going to explain up to 2 pages. Page number, here it's given, page number 50, 51 and some part 52. So I will tell you in non-detail, so that if you will open the book, so you will get all the things very easily. When the scene is set in a school. Mr. Frank and Taplow, they are seen to discuss with each other. So in the opening line, so they are asking, so they are unknown to each other. They are unknown, and Frank asked a question to Taplow that, do you know me? Do you remember me? And what's your name, in this way? So they begin. And so they are unknown to each other. It means the dialogue begins. The conversation starts between Mr. Frank and Taplow. And in the conversation, he asked him that you are not a scientist. Here scientist means science student. Science student, suppose one student who has got admission in law, he may be called a lawyer. One student who got admission in MBBS, MD, MS, so he can be called doctor. In the same way, the student who has picked a course of science, so he may be called scientist. Actually, Frank does not know what's the standard, what's the rank, what's the class of Master Taplow. So that's why he asked him, I think you are not a scientist, means you are not a science student. So in British, what's there, as in India, after class 10th, a student has to choose science, commerce or arts, and according to that stream, he goes into the specific profession. So here Taplow is in lower 5th standard, in lower 5th class, and when he will get removal, here a word remove, generally remove means to move from one place to other, that's called removal. But here in this chapter, remove means to get pass. Maybe pass, distinction, merit, first division, but generally to know it simply to be promoted in next classes. So Tableau is answering that I am in lower fifth standard, and tomorrow, this day, conversation is going on between Frank and Tableau, and he is here in the school. So why is here? I will tell you later on. So here remove means to get pass and get promotion, go into higher classes. So in British schools, removal means after going into higher classes, he will get science. So now his confusion that has been removed. Next, here another word in the beginning of page number 51. I believe there is a rule that form result. Here, form result. Form means class. Form, like a form means in which form you are, in which standard you are, in which class you are, in which stream you are. So in the same way, form result means a class result. Now Frank is asking question to Tableau that why are you here? Your result, it will be declared tomorrow, and tomorrow you will be promoted. Now in discussion, Frank asked him that one day before, 2 days before, generally it happens that 3, 4, 5 days before, some teacher, they are very lenient. They disclose the result to the student before the official announcement of the result. And Tableau is in confusion. He does not know whether he will get pass certificate or not. So that's why he is in confusion. But Frank is surprised to know that tomorrow your result will be declared, but before official declaration of the result, you can inquire your result from your teacher Crocker Harris. So here he says, don't you know Crocker Harris, what type of person Crocker Harris is? Because he is a very strict teacher. He is a man of principle. He follows rules and regulations. So that's why he does not disclose the result before the announcement of the result in school premises by the principal. So that's why he follows everything literally. And everybody knows, including teachers and students. And he is a very strict teacher. So tomorrow the fate will be decided. Fate means the result that will be declared. Here another word, that is slacker. When Frank asked him that which stream would you choose next year, so he says that I will choose science. So though Frank, he is a science teacher, he has to teach science, but he has least interest in science. So that's why he has the prejudice that all the science students, so they are slackers. Slackers here means weak student. Those who are not much hard-working student. So he is of the view. He says, next, he was having a book in his hand. So he says that this book, and the name of the book, that is Aeschylus. And here in Aeschylus, so there is a play, the name of the play is Agamemnon. So indicating to the book, he says that this book is a muck. Here muck means this book is rubbish, this book is useless. Tableau says that this book is useless And when Frank asked him that why do you consider that is useless, so he says that actually this book is not useless, but the way it is taught in our school or here, that is useless, because Greek words, so they are difficult, and here it's also written that 50 sentences, 50 lines we get. So here 50 line here means, suppose you must have remembered while studying in class second, third or fifth, in sixth standard also, that suppose you are given a word to write, suppose Frank, and you are writing in this way, so this is wrong. The C is not required here, this is wrong. So your C is wrong, so here the teacher will give you as a punishment or as a revision that you have to write 5 times here. In the same way, he is saying that Greek words, they are difficult words and they are not easy to pronounce or easy to write correctly. So if there is any wrong word written, so teacher gives 50 sentences to. In this way, we know that discussion is going on between Frank and Taplow. Now Frank asks Taplow that today is the last day of the term, last day of the session, and tomorrow result will be declared and you will be promoted into next class. Why are you here today? Though all other students, they are playing, they are enjoying in pleasant weather, he discloses the fact that he has been called by Mr. Croker Harris. Why? Because one day, a few days earlier, when he was unwell, he was sick, he was absent. So though he was absent on that day, so in place of that day, so today he has been called to come here to attend the class, though class is not there, but to attend the school and to do extra work. So he is here to do extra work and he is waiting for Mr. Croker, and Croker is not here and he will come later on, but he is so much strict that repeatedly Frank, who is also a teacher, he is guiding, he is giving direction to Taplow that he is late, he will take time. So during that time you can play golf or any other thing, but he is not moving from the scene. Why? Because he knows that what would happen if Croker comes to school and he is not found there. So what would happen there? It means he is so much strict teacher. On the other hand, Frank, he is lenient teacher. So though one thing that already I told you, that most of the teacher, so they announce the result before official announcement, but Croker Harris, he hasn't disclosed and he will not disclose until the office announces the result. So up to here the conversation that is going on between Frank and Taplow. In next video, Frank and Taplow, they will continue discuss about Croker Harris, about his behavior, about his effect in the class, outside the class, about his impression. So all the thing would be discussed later on in second video. So though it's really very easy, only a few words, they are not new words to you, they are known words, but still they have been used in a different way. So I hope you would read the chapter once again, because it's necessary to read the chapter, and same time only 3-4 words that I already explained and that also explained in the help books or other apps. But the must thing that is required, and that is to read the chapter. all the helping hand they will be provided to you. Thanks a lot.